Joe, you specifically, on your own volition, without even seeing what I thought about it, which is great, said, "Hey, Spencer, I made this. What do you think of it? What if I don't have a light on my gun?
hmm So this
What
is
if I
a
don't want a light?"
yeah. What if you don't want to light? This is something that I had kind of heard from a few folks and thought was a relative thing of, well, what if you don't want to put a light on? Because not everyone does. Um, where we're developing a no light hush holster. So it basically has a front indexing feature on it so that you can still use a hush holster as long as you have a pistol that can have a Picatinny mount. It's still in development right now and it's coming out soon. But yeah, like we've kind of talked about, we really want to innovate in this space so that we can continue to grow and provide great solutions. And the no light hush holster is one that you'll see soon.